champs, welcome to part 3 of the DC Comics original 1500 piece puzzle by Aquarius. I'm going to show you where we're at right now, and then we're just going to keep plugging away on this thing. So let me show you the puzzle. So as you can see, we made some progress. We made some really good progress on various faces, working out of the faces and so forth, kind of putting them where they go. And we're just going to keep doing that, and things just tend to come together. So Alright, ladies and gents, so we're going to take a break from there. I was working really hard on the yellow pieces. These yellow pieces, as you can see right here, and putting those together and starting to create the yellow portions of the puzzle that you could see. Right here. A lot of yellow there, some yellow. And yellow on the hair, there and there, and yellow on there. So we were working on that. We're still working on that, obviously, but it did create more of the puzzle now. Aquaman's starting to come together pretty nicely, and I've also noticed that as I'm going through it, I'm also finding pieces and putting it in. And we're starting to create something here. Look, it's all starting to get patched and connected together, if I could speak. Patched and connected together. And it's really coming together. And I'm getting really excited now because it's really starting to form and take shape. Still a lot to do, obviously. But very happy with how we're progressing, how we're doing, and we're just going to keep at it, and that's what we're going to do. Let us continue. All right, ladies and gents, well, we're getting to the point now in the puzzle where things are starting to connect. Things are coming together. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's getting exciting putting these pieces and connecting them and the puzzle making more and more sense. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, things are coming together. Things are connecting together. You see what I mean? Look, all these things are getting connected and filling in and becoming something. And it's really exciting. It's really fun. And it's starting to get to be fun now instead of it being frustrating. I mean, it's still kind of hard, but as things are connecting, as things are filling up and getting bigger, it's actually becoming a lot of fun. And there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I feel like we are going to finish this puzzle in this part 3, and I can't wait to just keep working on it and put things together and have it make sense. So let's just keep cracking away. Let's keep cracking, man. Keep cracking. As you can see, we put a big chunk of this puzzle together. Let me show you real quick where we're at right now. Alright, so as you can see, things are filling together. Things are connecting together. I just put that big chunk together. And up here we've been making some progress too, especially around this area, with all these things getting put together. So, in other words, this puzzle is coming together. Alright, boys and girls, well, I think it's time to take a quick look at the puzzle to see where we're at now. Now that I've been working on it for a long time, I greatly underestimated this puzzle. This puzzle's been a challenge, and underestimated it. It's a challenge. 1,500 pieces is a lot of pieces, and it's small pieces, and it's not so easy to figure out where a lot of the pieces go. It's challenging. Let's just put it that way. So let's take a look at it real quick. Oh, the reason I cover it with a sheet, by the way, is we have 3 cats. And one of the cats, MoMo, has an affinity for puzzles. I caught her a few times chewing pieces or scattering pieces. And I'm 99% sure one of the pieces is missing. So, when we finally put this puzzle together, it'll be interesting to see how many pieces are missing. Hopefully it's just that one. Or maybe I'll find it and there'll be none. But, yeah. So, here it is, and this is where we're at thus far. I can't really tell you how many hours I've been working on it up to this point. It's been a lot. It's been slow going. But then I'll get a rush of placements, and then it'll be slow going, and then another rush, and that's just the way it's been happening with this puzzle. But the bottom right is almost complete. The fourth quadrant, I guess you would say, A quadrant, B, C, and D. The D quadrant's almost complete, and the C quadrant is nearly complete. It's pretty good. Very good progress. Been plugging away up here as well and putting things together, and it is coming together. Looking really good. Looking really good. So, that's where we're at, and we're going to keep plugging away, and we will finish this puzzle on this part 3. We will finish it. When we will finish it? Soon. Can't be more specific than that. Talking to you, I'm gonna have to make some type of makeshift piece for it. I know I am. So that's one. Hopefully it's just one. My cat Momo went through these pieces a few times. I started this puzzle more than 6 months ago, and she did it a few times. And I hoped that I would got all the pieces, put it in the box, and left it out for a while after my dog Hula died. Then I put it back in the box. Then I took it out, and then Momo got it a few more times. So I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna make a dummy piece if I can't find that piece in any other pieces, but hopefully that's the only one. So we are gonna finish this in part 3. The next video will be the end. We'll finish this and we're gonna move on. Thank God. This puzzle was a long one, but I took about a 5-month hiatus. So, 5-6 month hiatus. Anyways, all right, let's finish her up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you where we're at right now. Puzzle's over 90, I'll say over 95% done. We're going to go ahead and finish it on this segment and call it a day. I know there's at least one piece that is missing. Thanks to my cat Momo, I've scoured the office and could not find it to save my life. So I'll probably end up making a dummy piece later on. I don't know if that'll be in this video or not. But I'm going to make a dummy piece, which is just kind of carving a piece, coloring it closely, and fitting it in. But let me show you the puzzle real quick before we finish it. All right, so this is where we're at right now. As you can see, it's nearly finished, 95%. I said 96% finished. This is the piece that I'm talking about that I cannot find. So I'm going to have to go ahead and make a dummy piece and color it in this kind of lime green color and black stripes. And I have to actually also put an eyeball and an eyebrow in it. But as you can see, nearly complete. Nearly complete. So here are the pieces left. That's one. And there's two. These are the pieces left. We're going to go ahead and knock this sucker out. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll talk a little bit when we're done. And then we'll call it a day. And we will finish this puzzle that took me almost 7 months with like a 5 or 6 month delay. So let's do it. Well, in a very bizarre twist of fate, and I've heard this happen sometimes in puzzles, we're missing 2 pieces, and we got a piece that just is not part of the puzzle. You know, 2 things are not filled. This is obviously not one of them. Here is the one missing piece. Right there. See it? Yeah, let me turn this camera around. One of the missing pieces, and obviously it's not the piece, right? And then we go down here, and here's the second missing piece. Right here. So, wait, I stand corrected. I didn't see it. Boom. Okay. So, minus 2 pieces, we are done with this puzzle. Yeah. And there it is in all its glory. This is the DC Comics Originals 1500 piece puzzle. Very challenging, especially when your cat eats some of the pieces. But it was a very enjoyable puzzle. I like this a lot. Without a doubt, the largest puzzle that I've done to date. It's very big. Very big. I got to decide where I want to put it. It's likely going to go up here. I'm probably going to move the Lake Tahoe puzzle to the side and put it over there. And maybe near the clock, like in that area. So, I guess that's it for DC Comics Originals, 1500 piece puzzle by Aquarius. Not sure what the next puzzle is going to be. It is going to be, who knows what it's going to be when I get it, but I will get it soon and start working on it soon because I enjoy putting these puzzles together. It's a lot of fun. And I'm going to make dummy pieces for those 2 missing pieces that I have. And I won't show this on this video. I'll just make them later. And that's it. So, hey, thank you for watching Superdan's Dealing in the Desert. I do appreciate it. Jigsaw puzzles. Click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe so you don't miss anything, support the show. And very soon, we will start working on the next Jigsaw puzzle. Cheers.